Alrighty folks, we showed you the other day how we was doing the corn. We did the same exact thing today, except instead of wrapping all of it, part of it we're going to cut off the cob. We had bought this here thing last year. It works good about cutting the corn off. Now we bought this one at a local feed store. I'm sure they sell them online. Just want to make sure you keep your hand on top of the corn cob. You don't want to get it cut. And then what we'll do, we'll show you here in a little bit, we'll just put this in quart freezer bags and freeze it. It'll take up a little bit less space in your freezer and be quick just to go get out and heat up. We'll show you bagging it up here just in a little bit. Alrighty, this is the name of that thing, folks. I think we've done a video on this last year, but just to be on the safe side, here's another one. It's the Lee's corn cutter and creamer. It's got the creamer attachment still in the bag. We took it off. You can see our bowl of corn here. Show you this one more time. It's that simple, pretty fast. Now doing it like this, it'll take up less space in your freezer. And still be just as good. We'll bag it up here in just a few minutes.
It's easier to bag if you put your bag down in a cup. Put it over it and get it started. Add the rest. And we wound up with 7 quart bags of corn. Now we'll just put them in the freezer for later on. Thank y'all for watching. Have a blessed day.